Hi all, welcome to Easy Quick Meal, formerly known as Spice Kitchen and Ginger. The weather is still hot here in Texas, so today we'll be making the traditional shaved ice. This is so easy to make. You can use fresh or canned fruits and jelly, and there are so many to choose from at my local Asian stores. We need sweetened condensed milk. You can select any brand you like. This is what I'm going to use for my shaved ice. I have the canned longan, kidney beans, pandan jelly, grass jelly, vanilla syrup. You can use any flavored syrup you like, rose syrup. I especially like this marjan brand from Indonesia, rose or cocoa pandan flavor. Mung beans if you like. This brand double parrot is really good. This is what mung beans look like. You can soak them overnight and then boil them. This is what split mung beans without the skin look like. You can use them too. I skipped the mung beans this time. Make sure to rinse the kidney beans. Dice the jelly. They are slippery and a little hard to handle. Now it's time to assemble. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click on that subscribe button for my new recipes and don't forget to turn on the ring notification. Thank you for your support. You can buy this little shaved ice machine at Walmart and you just put regular ice cubes to fill it up. Continue adding the ice cubes. This is the leftover sweetened condensed milk from my previous shaved ice. If you have a squeeze bottle, you can use it to squeeze the condensed milk. This is the spoon that I like to use, easier to scoop the ice. Thank you for watching and see you next time.